Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a wonderful day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you make your BeReal private. So before going to the app, make sure that you already have an account in BeReal app. So let's just go to the app. Now in the BeReal app, select the post that you want to make private. Now just click on the top right three dot icon here. Now here you can see the second option here is select your audience. Click on it. After clicking on it, here you can see in the bottom here, select my friends only. By selecting it, your BeReal app will only be shared with your friends. So guys, that's how you can make BeReal private. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.